Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to create a header slash navbar for you guys, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I know there's many ways to do it, and I'm kind of curious on how you guys do it. And if you want to share the way you do it, just go in a comment and I'll read it later. So let's get to it. Alright, I'm putting the header for the container, the actual header. I'm going to put the header nav container. Then I'm going to put a link for the logo. Then I can start on the actual navigation. I'm going to put a li with the A for the anchor tag for a link. I'm going to put home, about, services, and contact. And I believe that's it for the HTML. And it's time for the fun part, the CSS. So we go to the styles.css file I have. So we're going to target the header. For the background, thinking a Dodger blue. Here we go. Next, I'm gonna target the navigation container. I'll put in display flex, justify content center, space between, online item center. Then I'm gonna target the size of the navigation. $1100 pixels, and the way I'm going to center it is margin inline auto. There we go. Next, I'm going to target the logo to resize it to a bigger font size. Just make it 1.5 EM. There you go. Next, we're gonna target the actual navigation menu. Put display flex. There you go. Justify content center. Align item center. And a little gap, 2 EM gap. There we go. That's a basic header slash navigation. Let's check for responsiveness. Let's make that bigger and bring this back in. There you go. As you can see, it's responsive. There we go. What else can, if you guys are curious about my theme I'm using, let's go to preferences. Let's go up right there, AU dark. I have that on, and let's check for the icons somewhere around here. There you go, the helium icon theme. That's what I use for the icons. What else could I teach you? I think I'm gonna add a hover state on the links. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go back to the CSS. Let's target the navigation links. Copy this. Targeting the anchor tag. I forgot the hover state. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Then I'm gonna color it black. So when you go over it, boom, it turns black. All right, let's target the logo next. Copy this so we can put a hover state on it. There we go. Let's color it. Let's color it red. Boom, there you go. You got a basic header slash navbar, a responsive one. And on the next video,